Here we have a leaking fuel tank hose, and this appears to be a Porsche part, but the gas or the solvents in it turned it into some kind of molten rubber there. I'll have to change that out. Okay, so first let's contain the leaking fuel. We're gonna try to find a plug that fits, because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get all of the gas out of the gas tank. I'm putting some hard hose down toward the bottom of the gas tank and get that about as far as it'll go. And then we'll take the other end, get it some suction, and then stick it into the 5-gallon container. All right. She's looking pretty rough. Yep. Not much left. Turned to mush. Mushy. Used to say 928 something. It's interesting. You can see how the degradation of the fuel line affects the internal flow path, potentially causing fuel stoppage. Alright, this arrangement of the fasteners is easiest to get to. This one on the bottom or on the top. But this one definitely on the top, so you can come in here. Alright, now we just need to reinstall the cover. These are the fasteners right here and